U.S. embassy behind me has been completely looted.
South Vietnam was fell into communism in April 30th, 1975.
I came to my friend so we can talk and see what we want to do, go or stay. It happened so quick that don't let me make any decision anymore, but stay. Dương Văn Minh, he was the president at that time, so he called for everyone, put down weapon and surrender and take off all the uniform. So the uniform would throw everywhere.
Back then I threw in a pistol and I was scared, and so I covered up my job as an interpreter because they hate people who work close with Americans.
They announced that all the troops of South Vietnam need to come to register for a 30-day class.
We have to declare, our background, all that.
But that was a trick. They kept them all.